Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna, and I am your Guru Krishna. So yogis, as you know, we are doing this 30 days yoga challenge program. Today our ninth day of this 30 days yoga challenge. So we are learning a new yoga pose every day, like 5-6 yoga poses, the breathing pattern and everything we are doing. So we are doing something new yoga poses today, also with the some of the new breathing techniques. So please don't go anywhere, don't skip any part, and watch this video till the end and do all this yoga class with me. And please, before that, I'm gonna request you, please, if you're new here, you haven't watched this video series on my this channel, or you're watching first time, then please hit the subscribe button and click the the bell icon, so you'll get more video updates just like this one. And please keep doing it, keep practicing it. Now let's start. So first, what we are learning, that's called Tiryan Bhujangasana, or you can say swaying cobra pose. Yes guys, we have to that we already did this cobra pose, but this one is different one. Yes guys, so we are doing this swaying cobra pose. It's happen to be on the stomach as the cobra pose. So let's start with this without wasting any time. So first, just lay down on stomach. So lay down like this one, and here just keep your hands side of your on the line of your shoulder line, and legs wide. Let's keep your legs wide, almost edge of your yoga mat here. And then the same while breathe in, lift your upper part, but now here, from here, breathe out and turn back side. And if you are looking from the left side, then look at your right feet, and if you're looking from the right side, then look at your left feet. So it's a kind of just make a opposite direction contact, okay, trying to be like that. So let's see how we do it. So first, while breathing, lift, and then turn, breathe out. Keep in mind, breathe out and look there, and hold your position for 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now slowly, while breathing, come front and breathe out and go down. Let's do with the right side. That's mean with my right hand side. Okay, first breathe in and turn. While turn, breathe out and look at your leg, feet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, while breathing, come to front and breathe out. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe in and breathe out. You can keep your ankle flat also like this one. That's okay. Again, let's do with the ankle flat. 1 and breathe out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. And breathe in and breathe out. Okay, relax here for a bit. Okay, now we done the swing cobra pose. Now the next one, that's a Meru Vakrasana, or you can say spinal twist pose. So in that, we have to sit first in Dandasana like this one, and then if you first we're doing from the right side, then we put our left leg like this one, cross your right leg, and just kind of near your thighs. Right hand should be the back side, because this one is your right side. So first, right leg straight and right hand should be back side. Your left leg, cross your right leg, put that near your right thighs, and your left hand should be around your waist area here. First here, breathe in, and while breathe out, turn your face the back side like this one. First here, breathe in, and while breathe out, and hold this position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Now while breathing, come to the front and breathe out. Keep all your hands and your legs together where they are. Don't change the position. Okay, let's do one more time. Breathe in, and while breathe out, go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Now front and breathe out. Okay, now we done this side. Let's do the other side. So left leg straight. Put your right legs near your left thighs. And this one my left hand here. And first breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. Now breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now breathe in and breathe out. So now we done Meru Vakrasana or spine twist pose. Now the next one is Meru Gunamnasana, or you will say in English gritting the earth pose. So how we do it? First, our both leg should be straight in this line, and from here first put your hands here, and first here is a breathe in, and while breathe out, turn your face towards earth for your yoga mat, and then try to go as down as you can go comfortably without moving your legs. Okay, so your legs should be like this one, but your upper part should be the opposite direction. So it's kind of twisting your more of your waist area. So for the weight loose, then it will be better than, I think anyone can better than this yoga pose. Okay, so first you're breathing, and while breathe out, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while breathing and breathe out. This looks very easy, but it's very hard actually. Again, one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now breathe in and breathe out. Do the same time with the another side, at that side. Okay, now we done with the Meru Gunamnasana or gritting the earth pose. Now the next one, that's called Gatimay Gomukasana, or you can say the continue cow pose. So in this one, how we gonna do it? So first, take your the left leg and put your under your right hips, and the same with the right leg like this one, and then hold your legs with your hands like this one. Try to be in these both knees in one line. So let's make them one line. Okay, now here it is. Okay, and first here's a breathe in, and then go front side down and breathe out. Touch your knees with your nose, breathe out, and while coming up like straight this position, then breathe in. So don't hold anywhere, just hold like the 2-3 seconds. That's it. That's not more than this one. Okay, so let's do it. First breathe in, and while breathe out, hold 2-3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, up. Hold 1, 2, 3. Go down and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3. Go down. 1, 2, 3. Up. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Go down. One more. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay, this is how we do the Gatimay Gomukasana, or continue the cow pose. Okay, cow face pose. So now we do Gatimay Gomukasana also. Now the last one we're gonna do, that's the cow pose, or you will say the Gomukasana. In that, just sit the same like that, this one only, but you don't have to hold your legs. If there is no they are not in line, that still is okay, don't worry about that, but be relaxed. Okay, and from here, but touch your both feet on yoga mat. Okay, don't be like this one. Okay, it be like this one. And here first, how we gonna do first, let's do with the right hand. So right hand should be the upside and left hand should be from the bottom side, and hold them from your back, on your back like this one, you know, touch your fingers both and then hook them like this one, and then try to, you know, pull like from the upside. Okay, first upside, then the lower side, so it will open your both your shoulder joints. Okay, so let's do with the right one. So first right side, hands looks up on the back side, I'll show you just for sure. I'm sitting in the normal position, Sukhasana. See, this is my left hand and this is my right hand, and now I can touch my fingers, and now I'm holding, hooking them, and then, you know, pulling. I pull front and pull down, just like that. Now you got it, how it looks like from the back side. So sit in this position and go. And, you know, back straight, chest out and face up. Now pull and pull down. Okay, but now you have to do with the both side. Now, you know, in this one I put my right hand upside and then left hand from the bottom side. The same you do with the left side. I mean, in the left side here also you will change the position. So now it's right leg up to my left hand, so left leg. Now it's a turn of my left leg, and then left leg should be upside and right hand should be from the bottom side. Okay, and pull and down. So do it at least, you know, 3 to 4 times each time. And see, there is a catch. If you can't, you know, hold, you hook your hands like this one, that is okay. Don't worry, in starting it's very hard to hold you, so don't disappoint. Just, you know, grab any towel or anything, or maybe the yoga strap, anything, so you can just, you know, hold both with them like this one, and then you can just, you know, pull up and pull down, pull. So after some time, when is your shoulder joint open, then you can be, you know, grab your hands like this one, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now that's all about the yoga poses. Now we do some pranayams, and then the last one, Om Shavasana, and then we finish. Okay, so let's do the let's do the pranayams. अभी जो हम लोग करने वाले हैं उस प्राणायाम का नाम है अनुलोम विलोम. तो अभी हम लोग करेंगे अनुलोम विलोम. कैसे करना प्रॉपर आपको तरीका हर तरीके से पता है, मैं सब बता रखा है, ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार साथ में अभी इतना एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूँगा डीपली, बट करते हुए बताऊँगा कैसे कर रहा हूँ, वो मैं आपको बताऊँगा. ठीक है, याद यहाँ लीजिए. राइट हैंड से एक उंगली से ये वाला नाक बंद, ये वाला से थंब से ये वाला नाक बंद, सॉरी इससे ये दोनों, ठीक है, ये ऐसे करके ये. अभी जाके अभी मैं आंखें बंद करूंगा, उसके बाद आंखें अभी खोलूंगा सीधा मैं शवासन के बाद में. तो आप भी यहाँ से अभी करेंगे, अनुलोम विलोम करेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग भ्रामरी करेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग शवासन करके, सॉरी ओम करके शवासन करेंगे, फिर फिनिश करेंगे. तो आंखें यहाँ से बंद करेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे सीधा शवासन के बाद में. ठीक है, तो अभी आंखें बंद कर लीजिए, सब सुनिएगा आप मेरी बात को. ठीक है, चलिए अभी ये ऐसे आइज क्लोज. पहले राइट साइड से ब्रीथ इन करेंगे, राइट साइड को बंद करके अभी लेफ्ट साइड से ब्रीथ आउट, फिर लेफ्ट साइड से ब्रीथ इन करके राइट से ब्रीथ आउट, राइट से ब्रीथ इन, लेफ्ट से ब्रीथ आउट, लेफ्ट से ब्रीथ इन, एंड राइट साइड से ब्रीथ को आउट कर देंगे. और कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसको. मैं कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं, साथ में कंटिन्यू करते हैं. ठीक है, अब ये हो गया अभी अपना अनुलोम विलोम। अभी जो करने वाले हैं वो करने वाले हैं भ्रामरी। आपको पता है भ्रामरी कैसे होता है? नहीं पता तो एक बार काम करिए, आँखें खोल के देख लीजिए मैं कैसे करवा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, मैं आँखें ओपन नहीं कर रहा हूँ। आप लोगों ने अगर किया हुआ है पहले से मेरे साथ में तो आप आंखें बंद करके साथ में मेरे कर लीजिए। अगर आपने नहीं किया हुआ है, पहली बार कर रहे हैं, तो एक काम करिए, आंखें ओपन करिए, मैं जैसे बता रहा हूँ वैसे आप करिए इस चीज़ को। तो पहले क्या करना है, देखिए ये दोनों हाथ, सॉरी दोनों जो उंगलियाँ हैं ये अपने आइज़ के ऊपर रखेंगे। छोटी वाली उंगली ऊपर, सबसे छोटी जो होती है वो नीचे की तरफ गाल पर रखेंगे और अंगूठे से कान बंद करेंगे। कान के पास में इधर ये ऐसा होता है, देखो ये होता है, इसको ऐसे प्रेस करेंगे तो कान बंद हो जाएगा। और फिर ब्रीद इन करेंगे एंड देन हमिंग का साउंड करेंगे, ये वाला साउंड करेंगे बस। ठीक है, चलिए 3-4 बार करते हैं। ब्रीद इन, ओके मैंने 4-5 बार किया, आपको कम से कम 7 से 10 बार करना है। तो ये हो गया अपना भ्रामरी। अभी लास्ट वाला ओ, आंखें बंदी रखेंगे और ब्रीद इन करेंगे एंड देन ओम के साथ में ब्रीद आउट करेंगे धीरे धीरे से। आपको ओम का साउंड करना है, ब्रीद ऑटोमेटिकली आउट हो जाएगा। लेकिन ध्यान रखिए आपका ब्रीथ पता होना चाहिए। आपकी ब्रीदिंग का ऑलमोस्ट 60-65% जो है ना ब्रीद आपका वो ओ के साथ में बाहर आना चाहिए, और लास्ट वाला 35% है जो है वो है आपका मैं होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि सर आपने ओ पूरा कर दिया लास्ट में सिर्फ ओम, ऐसा भी नहीं करना है। ठीक है, तो इसकी ध्यान रखना कि मैं भी प्रॉपर आना चाहिए उसके अंदर। तो चलिए ब्रीद इन किया, ब्रीद आउट किया, थोड़ा नॉर्मल कर लीजिए ब्रीथ। ओके अभी ब्रीद इन एंड चलिए लास्ट करते हैं, फिर शवासन करेंगे। ओके नाउ शवासन, आंखें ओपन नहीं करेंगे और योगा मैट के ऊपर लेट जाएंगे बिल्कुल धीरे से। हाथ साइड में बिल्कुल रिलैक्स होते हुए पूरी बॉडी एकदम रिलैक्स कर दें, कोई सी बॉडी पार्ट में कोई टेंशन नहीं होना चाहिए, शोल्डर ड्रॉप बिल्कुल, बैक टेंशन नहीं होना चाहिए, पेट पे बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं, थाइस पे, हाथ की उंगलियां सब बिल्कुल एकदम रिलैक्स, गर्दन बिल्कुल रिलैक्स। और उसके बाद आंखें बंदी रखेंगे, हाथ ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे करेंगे, रब करेंगे बढ़िया से, एंड धीरे से आंखों के ऊपर एक बार फिर से ओके। अभी धीरे से आंखें ओपन करेंगे एंड टर्न लेंगे, बैठना नहीं है अभी, टर्न लेंगे राइट साइड। और इसके बाद साथ में सहारा लेते हुए बैठ जाए। तो ये हो गया। अभी लास्ट अपने लास्ट स्ट्रेचिंग बचता है, वो कर लेते हैं। पहले ब्रीदिंग करेंगे और राइट घुटने की तरफ जाएंगे और ब्रीद आउट करते हैं, फिर ऊपर आएंगे ब्रीदिंग करते हुए, एंड लेफ्ट साइड में ब्रीदिंग करते हुए ऊपर, एंड फ्रंट साइड जाएंगे ब्रीद आउट करते हुए, and breathe out. Okay guys, so now we have finished our today's class. This is our today's class. So I hope you like it. So how you feeling right now? Just comment in, just comment it right now. How you feeling, in this moment after finishing your class? And also if you're new and or maybe you following me but haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe this channel. As you know, we are very new, so I like to grow this channel so many people can get benefit from here. So please share this video who want to do just class like this one, and like this video, comment and share, just do whatever you can do to grow this yoga channel or family. So that's all about today's yoga. Tomorrow we're gonna learn some new yoga poses or some new other stuff, the new class. So till then, bye bye, thank you, stay safe, see you, namaste.